All right, I'm back on this Kia Forte 2019, which I made a video saying that it has a bad engine when new engine was replaced. And Jake from Automotive Diagnostic and Programming, great channel, he commented saying that if the engine was replaced, you got to do relearns, like a cam crank relearn and clear adaptive values, which I didn't do, so maybe this engine's good. So I got the scan tool booted up, and I'm going to try to do these things. So I'm going to do, I guess first do a, let me see what options it has. ECM. Alright, I'm going to first, let me just read the data stream one more time. Make sure the problem's still there. Alright, let's start this up. Yeah, we're still at 101, 102, and 114. Okay, good. So let's go out, shut this car. Turn just the key on, the car syncs to you. Special functions. Okay, so now there's resetting adaptive values. All right, we're first going to do this. Okay. Okay. Okay, so that's all needed. There is no cam crank relearn on this. Oh, let's just see if that did anything. All right, I'm gonna start the car up. And now let's go to live data. Let's go to exhaust. Let's just select all. I'll sift through it after. Oh my gosh, he's right. See that? It's at 114. Let me graph this. I diagnosed this thing wrong. It does not need an engine. That is really cool. See, I appreciate all the comments that are constructive criticism. Yeah, I definitely don't know everything. Not even close. I learn something new every day. And right here's an example. I almost called this bad engine. Well, I was saved by Automotive Diagnostics and Programming. Look up his channel if you're not already subscribed. The engine doesn't sound great, but at least this is on. But I don't think these engines ever sound great. The question is, I want to drive this car around. Let me check the intake also. Let's graph this. Inlet bank 1 and bank 2, it's good. 2 is good. I don't like why when I rev it, it doesn't go down. On the known good car, that's what happened. Let me clear the codes. Alright, read full codes. No full codes, that's what I was in. Okay. Back. Now, let's start the car. Alright, there's no check engine light. That's good. Read data stream. Let's get intake. Let's just go cam. Alright, inlet. Exhaust. Alright, graph. We're dead on. Exhaust is dead on, and intake's dead on. Now, let's see if I rev it. It goes down. Just the full code was causing it not to go down. Alright, I misdiagnosed this one. I was saved by a comment. Thanks guys for watching.